News this afternoon, the Milwaukee County judge who faces charges for allegedly interfering with an immigration arrest pleaded not guilty in court this morning. Yesterday, Judge Hannah Dugan's attorneys tried to dismiss the case, saying she was immune to prosecution inside her own courtroom. CBS 58's Catherine Merck live outside the federal courthouse in downtown Milwaukee with the latest developments in a case that is getting nationwide attention. Catherine?
Mike, I was inside of the courthouse with journalists from across the country. The entire nation has had its eyes on this case ever since Judge Dugan was arrested last month. There were no cameras allowed inside of the federal courtroom today. However, we do have artist sketches to give you a representation of what things looked like. Judge Hannah Dugan entered a not guilty plea in the arraignment hearing that didn't last more than a few minutes. The judge did not hear Dugan's motion to dismiss the charges. Dugan is charged with concealing an individual to prevent arrest and obstruction. Prosecutors say she escorted an undocumented man and his lawyer out of her courtroom through a back door on April 18th after learning that U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement agents were in the courthouse seeking to arrest him for being in the country illegally. Her attorneys have said she's innocent. Outside of the courthouse on Wisconsin Avenue, dozens of protesters held signs and chanted in support of Judge Dugan. Speakers accused the Trump administration of trying to make a national example of Dugan to chill judicial opposition to the current immigration crackdown.
The judge has the right to do what they want to do in their courthouse and in their courtroom, and if we start saying that they don't, what does that leave us with the rest of the crimes we have to prosecute? What does that leave us with our due process?
Dugan, her lawyer, and prosecutors left after the hearing without speaking to reporters. Dugan could face up to 6 years in prison if convicted on both counts. Right now, Dugan's trial is set for July 21st. There are multiple motion hearings up until that point. Attorneys said today if it does end up going to trial, it will last about a week. Reporting live outside of the federal courthouse in downtown Milwaukee, I'm Catherine Merck, CBS 58 News.
We look forward to more of your reporting on this story this afternoon, Catherine. Thank you.